Hi, we are Kim and Angelo, and we are on a journey to the French countryside to get into a more self-sufficient lifestyle. We are currently living in a renting house in the Netherlands after selling our house and paid off our mortgage. We started with having our first chickens about 2 years ago. We didn't have a big backyard, but 2 chicks would definitely fit, and we want to learn more about raising chickens. So we built our coop ourselves. We had some wood, a spare door and some materials layering around, and we were pretty proud of making this coop for them. Even our cat liked it. In a small village we had the luck that someone was selling chickens, and these chicks were about 16 weeks when we bought them. And since we already had plans at the moment to go to France, and we love the series Allo Allo, they got names from the series. So we named the black one Yvette and the light brown one Mimi. Guess what name the rooster will get? We let them get used in their coop and outside run. After a few days we gave them the space of the garden and they started to explore. Here you can see them dust bathing to get rid of mice and other little bugs. It's funny to watch. They grew well, and after a few weeks we received our first egg from Mimi. Yay! We were so proud of her that she gave us the first egg. At the time I also had a backyard vegetable garden. It was not much, but that turned out not to go well with the free-range chickens anyway. First year was okay, they didn't even notice the tomato plants. But then, well, they started to eat all the carrots, leaves, and they also like tomatoes now. So we decided to give the chickens the space of our garden, and I continued in a community garden. Meanwhile, our 2 chickens have been housed with friends. Since our backyard in our renting house is not that big, we wanted to give them the space with our friends. And in between, an older hen joined us and she was able to spend her last time quietly with the others. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in our journey to our homestead in France. How the move went to our friend's house, we will show you in the next vlog. See you next time!